Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into Lightpanda, a headless browser designed for AI and automation. It's a game changer, folks.
A headless browser? Sounds intriguing. What makes Lightpanda stand out from the crowd, especially considering we already have heavyweights like Chrome and Firefox?
That's the beauty of it. Lightpanda prioritizes speed and efficiency. Think 11 times faster than Chrome, with a 9 times smaller memory footprint. That's a massive difference when you're dealing with large-scale AI or web scraping projects. Imagine running thousands of instances without crippling your server.
Wow, those are some impressive numbers. How do they achieve such performance? Is it some kind of black magic?
No magic, just smart engineering. They built it from the ground up using Zig, a low-level systems programming language known for its performance and memory safety. They also made some very deliberate design choices, like omitting the graphical rendering component entirely, focusing solely on what's needed for headless operation. It's all about optimization.
So it's essentially a stripped-down browser, focusing on the core functionalities needed for automation. But what about compatibility? Does it support JavaScript and common web APIs?
Absolutely. It supports JavaScript execution via V8, and they're actively working on broader web API support. It's currently a work in progress, but they're making great strides. They even have compatibility with Playwright and Puppeteer through the Chrome DevTools Protocol, CDP, which is huge for developers already using those tools.
That's excellent news for developers. But how easy is it to get started? Is it a complex setup?
Surprisingly straightforward. You can download pre-built binaries for Linux and macOS, making it easy to get up and running quickly. They also provide detailed instructions for building from source if you prefer, although that involves building several dependencies, including V8, which can be a time-consuming process. But the documentation is quite comprehensive.
I see. So it's a powerful tool, but still in beta. What are some of the limitations we should be aware of?
Right, it's important to remember it's still in beta. Expect some websites to fail or crash. The web API coverage is also not complete yet, but given the performance gains, it's definitely worth keeping an eye on and experimenting with.
Definitely. The performance gains alone make it a compelling alternative for certain use cases. It's exciting to see such innovative projects pushing the boundaries of what's possible in web automation. What about testing? How do they ensure quality?
They're using a combination of unit tests and web platform tests, WPT. They even have a dedicated repository for their WPT integration. This rigorous testing approach is crucial for ensuring reliability and compatibility.
That's reassuring. It sounds like Lightpanda is a promising project with a bright future. Thanks for shedding light on this exciting development.
My pleasure. And remember, listeners, you can find all the details, including the source code and documentation, on GitHub. Check out the link in the show notes. Until next time, goodbye from Tech Bytes and News.
Bye-bye.